and welcome to 3.TV. I am Ruchi Sharma.
And I am Vishakha Thakur. So we have got all the major global cryptocurrency news from the past week for you in the show. But before we start, let's cut across to Manoj Thara for the market check.
So the cryptocurrency market surged on Friday, buoyed by the sharp uptick in Bitcoin and Ethereum. The rally followed a major regulatory shift on Thursday as President Donald Trump signed an executive order permitting the inclusion of cryptocurrencies, private equity and real estate into 401k retirement plans. Market participants widely interpret the executive order as a bullish catalyst, anticipating a fresh wave of institutional capital and even a conservative 1 to 5% allocation of 401k assets into the crypto could inject billions of dollars into the market, substantially improving the both liquidity and the long-term valuations. Speaking about Ethereum, the second largest crypto, surged 6%, was pretty close to around $3,900.
Thanks, Manoj. The Delhi High Court has directed Zetai Pte Limited, the operator of WazirX, to submit its acquisition agreement with Binance and share details of its Singapore-based restructuring.
That's right, and this comes after a $235 million hack in July 2024 raised concerns among creditors. The court has also asked for related Singapore court documents.
Binance has denied ever owning WazirX despite a 2022 agreement. The case reflects growing legal scrutiny around the crypto exchange's ownership structure and its response to the cyber attack.
Well, a revote on the restructuring plan concluded this week.
In another interesting update, Jetking Infotrain, a prominent Indian IT training company, has announced plans to accumulate 21,000 Bitcoin by 2032.
So Joint MD Siddharth Bharwani said the firm uses a daily buy at any price model to invest daily operational surplus into Bitcoin regardless of the price.
So Jetking currently holds 23 BTCs. In 2025, it raised 6.1 crore rupees and 11.5 crore rupees in two capital rounds to support these purchases and expand its blockchain-focused training offerings across multiple educational and enterprise development initiatives.
And now talking about the growing corporate adoption, Metaplanet kicked off August by acquiring 463 Bitcoin for $53.7 million, taking advantage of a 5% weekend dip.
The Japanese investment firm paid an average of $115,895 per Bitcoin, bringing its total holdings to 17,595 BTC, worth over $2 billion. This maintains its rank as the world's 7th largest corporate holder.
Wow, so the purchase follows a July wave of institutional buying totaling $7.8 billion. Despite early August outflows in spot Bitcoin ETFs, Metaplanet continues accumulating, aiming for 210,000 Bitcoin, that's 1% of supply, by 2027.
Simultaneously, Sharplink Gaming has added 18,680 Ethereum to its reserves, bringing its total holdings to 498,884 Ether, now valued at approximately $1.8 billion.
So this new acquisition, worth $66.63 million, reflects Sharplink's growing focus on Ethereum as a core digital asset.
With this 3.9% boost, the company reinforces its position as a top Ether holder in the gaming sector.
And Sharplink's continued investment in Ethereum underlines its belief in decentralized finance and Web3 technologies, while offering a hedge against market volatility and creating new growth channels for blockchain-enabled gaming projects.
So we are witnessing global Ethereum adoption as well. BitMine Immersion Technologies now holds 833,137 Ether, worth over $2.9 billion, becoming the largest Ethereum treasury holder globally.
That's great. And in just 35 days, BitMine moved from zero to the top, starting its acquisition on June 30th and completing the initial phase by July 8th.
So Chairman Tom Lee credited the rapid growth to company's focused treasury strategy and strong investor backing, including Bill Miller III.
And BitMine's daily stock volume now ranks among the top 50 in the US. A $1 billion stock buyback program was also launched to boost shareholder value.
Furthermore, Sequans Communications has added 85 more Bitcoins, taking its total BTC holdings to 3,157.
The Paris-based chipmaker paid an average of $117,360 per coin, spending nearly $10 million on the latest buy.
So Sequans has now invested $368.5 million in Bitcoin, maintaining a cost basis of $116,708 per Bitcoin.
Just days earlier, on July 28th, the firm had purchased 755 Bitcoin using equity offering proceeds.
Sequans continues to treat Bitcoin as its primary treasury asset, allocating revenue and capital raises to grow its crypto reserves amid long-term bullish expectations.
In another interesting update, the Smarter Web company, a London-listed tech firm, has raised $10.75 million to acquire Bitcoin.
The capital raise signals increasing institutional interest in crypto assets despite ongoing market volatility.
So, CoinOtag analysts see this as a strategic pivot and part of the broader trend of digital asset adoption.
The firm aims to use Bitcoin as a treasury asset and may use future funds from operations or equity raises to expand its crypto holdings.
The move also supports Bitcoin legitimacy within the UK's maturing regulatory environment for digital finance.
And now a regulatory development. The US SEC has clarified that liquid staking and staking receipt tokens do not qualify as securities, offering relief to crypto developers and platforms.
According to the SEC's Division of Corporation Finance, these activities, unless tied to investment contracts, don't require registration under securities law.
The statement aligns with the agency's Project Crypto initiative to offer clearer regulatory guidance.
And this move supports legal certainty for DeFi staking platforms and also signals a more nuanced approach to token classification by US regulators.
Well, that's all in this episode of the Weekly Wrap. This is Mirchi Sharma signing off.
And this is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more such updates, do log on to our website, www.3warstv.com, or scan the QR code. Have a great weekend.